Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Lightshot installed. Make sure it's running in the system tray so preferences are editable. Right-click the tray icon, then choose Options to open Settings. If you launched from Start, select Preferences instead. Once in Options, go directly to the Hotkeys or Shortcuts tab. This is where the capture key is stored. You do this first because changing system-wide bindings requires that the app be active. Otherwise, keystrokes won't register. Now click the hotkey field so it listens for input. Press the new combination you want, for example, Ctrl+Shift+9. You must choose a combo that isn't already used by another app. If Lightshot warns of a conflict, pick a different key or remove the other app's binding. Once you set it, click Save or Apply. Some versions require you to restart Lightshot so the new shortcut becomes active. Make sure the sequence is comfortable and mnemonic for you. Finally, test the new hotkey by pressing it and selecting a screen region. Lightshot should open the editor instantly. If nothing happens, quit Lightshot and relaunch it, then try again. Many issues clear after a restart. If it still fails, check for global hotkey conflicts with other apps and ensure Lightshot has permission to run in the background. Tip: if the hotkey remains unresponsive, temporarily disable other screenshot tools, then reassign the Lightshot key so you can isolate the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.